There's a gathering of a group of people called themselves prophets. And the discussion going on. And the discussion is suggesting this. That is what they plan. They are planning to do something. I saw notable faces. They are all sitting there. Then there was a discussion going on. A discussion with another senior man of God. Senior man of God. I've seen the face of the man. But this is for public consumption. So let me just hold back names. I see them. And this senior man is talking to the prophet that are sitting. And they are setting an agenda. The agenda is that one of them will come out and make an announcement. And an announcement is such a way that to sway Ghanaians to believe that that is the mind of God concerning the nation. And that Ghanaians should follow it. And this talk in connection to election. It will be like, that's what God is saying. But it's an agenda.
I will say very 2 months ago, and a prophet Isaac also bempa, Ebeka said, well, my Ghana Pumupata, a Remunoma, a Miani Adia Ghana, at will be one more no, and one minor episode will be the animal 2028, I buy a better 80. Prophet Isaac also bempa, say, yeah, for mind the constitution in pool, and Tonchain, a different common to not woman seeing in Yame air cadature or minor. It's Obeka and Nagana food in a watch, him said that was no, yeah, dress and wine. Ena kumu patano atu ne honyum na so prophet Isaac usu be mpasan ba bi mu no wa amfa nipa kuni din amman betudwa nemom wo ka se ebrepam ni bresimu no wo de din no eba betudwa busia efiti ho kono ena adane hwrema e wo media no so adane nkomudie e wo ahofra no se ne eyetetem agenda bi ena prophet Isaac usu be mpa edi ho enkomo na busia se no ekoda nchen a ye hwe ne ekoso e wo mamufi se NDC ebedi ade a atorencham ne ade a esisi no ana Ghana fortress wedie emu owrem efiri ni efiri se wiase eya na bibie ni wa esikwa ne no ana prophet Jijono ababedi enkomo ana wo trese wo hu ni se meetings bi akoso behind the scene ya meeting no enye normal meeting na demonic meeting na eno ana ama ni ACC a wo trese ensuboni bi a aform ewo wiem a etwen se ebeto no enya asem keto na busa so kopie mu so ewo koda media enkomo akoso e de fa term agenda no ho ana branch a wodi nkomo koda media no wo trese term agenda ne de se Ghana pro yempo eyade a ye mampenin John Dramani Mahama wo beko term no wo se eya asofo bi e de beka ne se wo mo hye engine room ana wo mo engineer de no ye a wonya kokudro abbo asofo a wo trese eye wo mo ana ehwe se mampenin John Dramani Mahama e beko term na busia asofo ne din de kam ho na ye konkotie se ne nkomo no esiko ye ko mese so be me subscribe to so dem ya no aka so the bell no be count so no upload me so for the first person ya won sabidi kanka.
As I was praying, I just saw this thing in a flash. I just saw this, and it goes to the nation. It goes to Ghana. I just saw this. Oh, Ghana, may God help our nation. This beautiful nation that God wants to build, that all of us will enjoy. This is what I just saw. I find myself, I just saw myself in a room, like a large room, and I saw a lot of men of God gathered. And I saw prophets. A lot of men gathered, called prophets. And I saw, it's like they were sitting, it's just like when you go to a meeting that the elders sitting and the others sat, sit also on the other side. It's like that kind of sitting. Then I had a discussion going on. I was looking at the discussion I was going on. I'm talking about the nation Ghana. I just saw this. And they were planning something, an information to share with the nation. And that information is to make people believe that that is the mind of God concerning the nation. Please listen very carefully. But actually, it is a setting. That is, it is some senior men of God and this prophet who have gone and sat down. And they took that decision. and they want to deceive Ghanaians to follow it. That's what I just saw. That there's a gathering of a group of people called themselves prophets. And the discussion going on. And the discussion is suggesting this. That is what they plan. They are planning to do something. I see a building and I entered the building. And the Lord said, watch. So I was watching and there was this group of people and I saw written prophets. I saw notable faces. They are all sitting there. Then there was a discussion going on. A discussion with another senior man of God. Senior man of God. I've seen the face of the man. But this is for public consumption. So let me just hold back names. I see them. And this senior man is talking to the prophet that are sitting. And they are setting an agenda. The agenda is that one of them will come out and make an announcement. And an announcement is such a way that to sway Ghanaians to believe that that is the mind of God concerning the nation. And that Ghanaians should follow it. But when I watched, the Lord said it is not true. He has not said anything. It's an agenda they themselves have set. An agenda that they want to sway the Ghanaians. And this is talk in connection to election. To sway the Ghanaian the public to believe what they are saying and go according to what they are saying. It will be like, that's what God is saying. But it's an agenda. I'm reading from the book of Ezekiel. Before I deliver what it is about the nation, I'm reading the book of Ezekiel chapter 33, 6 to 8. It says, but if the watchman sees the sword coming and does not blow the trumpet, and the people are not warned, and a sword comes and take a person from them, he is taken away in his iniquity, but his blood I will require from the watchman's hand. Verse 7. Now as for you, son of man, I have appointed you a watchman over the house of Israel. So you will hear a message from my mouth and give them warning from me. When I say to the wicked, O wicked man, you will surely die, and you do not speak to warn the wicked from his way, that wicked man shall die in his iniquity, but his blood I will require from your hand. Now, I know, especially here in Ghana, when you see a negative thing that is about to happen and you announce it, both from the men of God and also from the state and from politicians, they will target you, are creating fear and panic. Number two, they will say that you people don't see any good thing. Always you see live evil things. Number three, they will say the prophetic gift is for encouragement. And they say all kinds of things in order to debound what you are saying. But the Bible is far from that. The work of a prophet or an apostle is not to come and speak what people want to hear. It's to speak the mind of God to the people. Our English word will not change the word of God. That is the statement of their creative fear and panic. That will not change the word of God. If it's danger, it's danger. Our English word and perception will not change the word of God. If it's danger that the Lord said is coming, he said, tell the people that danger is coming so that they can be warned and position themselves and do the right thing so that they can be saved. I'm giving this explanation before I announce what the Lord has revealed to me about the nation and the danger that is coming or the danger that is looming. in which we need to rise to do something as a nation and as a people. Around 2 a.m., between 1 getting to 2 a.m. today, my spirit was caught up. Then I find myself in the cloud. So I'm delivering the message now about Ghana. I find myself in the clouds. Then I saw from the cloud perspective to the earth. I saw 9 monks. 9 monks. 9. 9 monks. And these monks were sitting in a line. Then I saw them elevating, like they were hanging in the air. And as they were hanging in the air, I saw a Ghanaian leader, I'm not going to mention the name, standing before these monks or these spiritualists. 9 of them. Then they were telling him that for this election, if you win it, we need a lot of sacrifices. Then this politician, I saw the person, but I won't mention the name. I will not mention the name because of what the person did as I saw in the vision. So, in a way, the person was not in support of what was happening as the nation is concerned. So they told the person that we need a lot of high sacrifice. A high sacrifice means human sacrifice. Then he told them he can't do that. He cannot sacrifice any human being for that position. I mean presidential position. So he stood up. I saw him and a woman. They stood up and they were going. But these 9 monks told them that, don't worry, we'll do it ourselves. As long as you agree and came to us, we'll do it ourselves. Now, when these people left, these 9 monks, I'm talking about the nation and what is happening. When these people left, the 2 Ghanaians left, those monks. I saw the monks again elevated. They were hanging in the air. Then I saw them doing some enchantment. They were speaking words. Enchantment. Just as Christians we speak in tongues. I heard them speaking some words of enchantment. Then suddenly I saw the words they were enchanting also elevated to the clouds. And when the words elevated to the clouds, the word formed a dark cloud. And the dark cloud was waiting. Where did the dark cloud form? It formed a cloud upon Ghana. A dark cloud upon the nation Ghana. So that dark cloud was hanging in the air waiting for a season to fall or to come down.
John Dramani Mahama is going again in 2028. After the missing report, July 2012, or the financial in one can say, or yeah, vice president.
He was sworn in as a president.
Or the sharing, sir. The other two being was on the sharing, sir.
2013.
January was on the financial, sir.
So 2 terms.
2 terms. And at 2024, was our baby made 3 terms.
The 4 Rokui.
4 Rokui. Oko. That's what the financial in 2029.
So no one was a president.
Penga 9. A bad things over 5 years. I told them 2028 election, Mahama is contesting. Mopa Mufanka baby and soon. Sadia Wadiku Supreme Court make a story name, Bray narrating. Casey, why she shaded that? Oh, a Yadibi or what she said.
One ring out to her.
One ring out to her. Dia Waduku, MP leader.
Indeed, Osha Krana, Ganima last time.
Yo,
a pobin or Diamano.
A pod what? Oh, we. Wow, bachelor of Crown Fasun on Tro. This is we enfeeli. Nanye who say, and in interesting. And he said, Unzen and Kufado, and Wako fans who media John Dramani Mahama. Supreme Court case, no. Nanado Danko Kufado was on your lawyer, or no Wako fans who made in as a man. What do you mean here as a cry? Apart from teaching in Hassan, and Hassan or the Yako Cotton. Satellite news editor can crunchy, or also a J crunchy.
A J crunchy.
Or the case in Ako Court.
In Priya Kase.
Or the Ako Court pen. he was against it not say Mahama be kotetem he said the order akofo so won ko interpret say Mahama wo kwan say okotetem na ne ma de no kra yehu a oye na aba ho yehu ni say saa no men edin tokwa ba African countries Cote d'Ivoire ni baby bebre no saa no man no watara ni ayi gbagbo ni tokwa de saa no me bi afeti nipa na ma de no kra yehu a wo security ade no eye Bishop Charles Ajiasare Perez Don onu ne nkofo ne security ade onu bishop dinka ho
say o kan engineers ne ho
engineers are there we twa na why there
be the third coming of Mahama no
one engineer
Ajiasare Duncan William and Dr. Wenga
and Sankranchi Anka
onu put a decent kakra they name the one they call engineers of
nti na do dan kwakufa no yes adia enka onu Bishop Ajiasare ko gina pulpit mi fan ko preach nti sentokosia no no atwe no because of yourself na watwe no na onim se do ye na betu no pentem ama eyi mu
baba
onim se amanfo be soreti
abusia enkomo no na yakwa koti ede aba na ye Ghana fo bi ka ne se wo ban ga le bi ehum ne ka ne se ase bibia no na ye de akwa akohye hohom obi enim se afi bia e ade a esuo etimi eto ewiemu sakraye kura no afi asesa eti se ewiemu sakraye asesa de a se ne enoma esitia dada no ye hu ne saa se ne asesa nti asesa na eba with a different style na se eba stronko so nti se nso na to afi na ya ede ato na eto kese a ede na kire se ebia eye political leader bi en wode wo man ni nyina ahyebere akwakwohye honhom bi sa enti no atorenche ma ete se etoto man na so buso eye wo mo ena wo sunsun wani nti wo mahu no eno eno mababo nti a wo mo aba beka na Ghana fo bi so kire se man penin John Dramani Mahama wo no a tetem no efa no no nkasa babonten abetwe se tetem no kwa enya ade se wo beko afi wo man so your constitution edibu o man ho bra enti fi se ye sha ase ye president enya asofo ena yi president edema wo man nti se den ena afi we de ye ya pa asem asha asofo no se asofo bi ena akwa akotena dan mu ena wo engineer de ena eye constitution no ena edibu wo man no constitution me ka se tetem bia eba ye man penin nkasa nkasa wo kotetem in fact ne party kwa wo fuma ye NDC party na ba betre se tetem no de enya ade se ebebo wo man asumdwe nti ade nti ena ye pre ye ho ya no musu na ade nti na ye pre ye ho na no mo kwa bra banche no esija so aye ngo fufu ni we ene adwentra Ghana fo bi HSN ka ye ntwen na 2028 enu na ye man pedin John Dramani Mahama wonka se wonko ana se wonko ho ena bia so man ni wo bibia wo mbetimi aka ede ache man pedin se buso mese se won so beja comment no e comment section ho ede ama me all the social media handles no too much gh o subscribe like you know share na fofo so de bia hwe makra